reason I have been telling you for so many times, for celebrating all the activities in the college is giving you a platform to demonstrate your skills. A skill in the sense, not just a communication skill or your literacy skills of English. Though, to speak, a little bit of preparation is very much required. More than that, this also gives you an opportunity of exploring your leadership skills. Every activity, there will be a couple of anchors and some management team comprising of the students, and altogether you will learn successfully managing a given activity. Whether it is a teacher's day or a engineer's day, annual day, technical fest, whatsoever may be the activity. Whenever some activity is announced, we will plan for successful execution of that activity, which requires proper planning, discipline, preparedness, and smooth execution. Let me be very honestly tell you that I am very happy to see the active participation from the first year anchors and the girl students very active. And the days to come, I expect the boys also with a similar competitive spirit. Are you ready to come up in future, or will you give up straight away? No noise. భవిష్యత్తులోనైనా పోటీకి ముందుకు వస్తారా, ఇలాగే చేతులు ఎత్తేస్తారా అని అడిగా. అందుకే తెలుగులో చెప్పాను.
So the reason why people from Hyderabad should celebrate, all of you know Gandipet? There is a bridge, right? Which was constructed by him or designed by him. When he was in some foreign country, Nizam called him because Hyderabad had severe floods. And the gentleman came and designed that particular bridge. Even today, there is a flood level mark in Usmania University Women's College near Koti, which became a unit towards Usmania University because it was in an elevated place to survive from all old town. So that is the greatness of the gentleman, and all of us should remember the contribution of the gentleman. Thank you.